Thank you for joining Yolo and Becky with Bridging Duality as we share this meditation with you.
As we begin, I want you to notice how your body feels.
I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath.
As you breathe in, tune into your body and see how it feels.
As you breathe out, I want you to release everything that is not yours.
Dear guides, with love and gratitude, we ask that you raise our vibrations, cleaning, clearing, unblocking, and opening each of our chakras as our vibrations rise.
As the vibration rises from Mother Earth, we are firmly grounded and feel the vibration as it rises into your feet.
Your feet begin to tingle as the vibration rises and gets stronger.
If you don't feel anything, that's okay. Just visualize it happening.
You can feel the vibrations rise from your feet, through your calves, and up into your knees, which are the windows to your soul.
Feel the vibrations in your knees as the vibrations cleanse, clear, unblock, and open the windows of your soul.
The vibration gets stronger and stronger and rises up higher and higher in your legs all the way to the base of your spine, your root chakra.
Feel the vibrations as they rise and as they clean, clear, unblock, and open your root chakra.
The vibration gets stronger and stronger, and you feel the vibration cleansing your root chakra at the base of your spine.
You can feel the vibration as it continues to rise and rise up through the body, just below the belly button, into your sacral chakra.
Feel the vibration in your sacral chakra as it cleanses, clears, unblocks, and opens your sacral chakra.
Your feet are firmly grounded and you are connected to your knees, which are connected to your root chakra, which is connected to your sacral chakra. And the vibration gets stronger and stronger.
As it moves, it rises into your solar plexus, which is above your belly button and in your stomach area.
You can feel the vibration as it gets stronger and stronger, as it cleanses and clears and unblocks and opens your solar plexus.
You can feel the vibrations. You can feel the vibrations rising up as it moves into your heart chakra.
And your chest is vibrating, and you can feel it. And you can feel the vibrations as they cleanse and clear and unblock and open your heart chakra. You can feel the emotions. You can feel the love pouring through your whole body.
Your feet are connected to your knees, which are the windows to your soul, and your knees are connected to your root chakra. Your root is connected to your sacral chakra, and your sacral chakra is connected to your solar plexus. And your solar plexus is connected to your heart, and your heart chakra is open and sharing all the love.
And the vibration is so strong And it is rising and rising through the body all the way into your throat chakra.
And you can feel your throat vibrating. You can feel the beautiful, wonderful vibrations, cleansing, clearing, unblocking, and opening your throat chakra.
You can feel a lump in your throat, and you need to take a deep breath, releasing all the hurt and unsaid words to allow all the love to flow in.
You can feel the vibrations as they build and get stronger and stronger as it rises up into your third eye between the eyebrows.
And you can feel your whole body tingling from the vibrations.
You can feel the vibrations in your forehead as the vibrations cleanse, clear, unblock, and open your third eye chakra.
And you can feel the vibration in your face and in your forehead as the vibration gets stronger and stronger and rise higher and higher into your crown chakra. And you can feel the hair on the top of your head stand on end with the vibrations.
You feel the vibrations cleansing and clearing and unblocking your crown chakra.
And your feet are firmly grounded and you are connected to your knees, which are the windows to your souls.
And your knees are connected to your root chakra. And your root chakra is connected to your sacral. And your sacral chakra is connected to your solar plexus. And your solar plexus connected to your heart. And your heart chakra is connected to your throat. And your throat chakra is connected to your third eye. And your third eye is connected to your crown. And all of your chakras are in line and connected.
And the energy and vibrations are flowing freely and clearly, and the vibration rises higher and higher and shoots out of your head to the ethereal fields, and they are cleansed, cleared, unblocked, and opened.
As your vibration rises and rises through the entire universe.
Feel the vibrations through your whole body as it connects you to all the love and light of the universe.
Take a deep breath, feel the love, and know that you are the light.
And as you take another deep breath, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and as you come back, knowing the vibrations will stay high.
As you open your eyes, thank your divine team and guides for helping you today.
Thank you for joining us for this meditation, sending you love and light so that you can build your own bridge.